Hi, today we would like to discuss about the business partner in SAP S/4HANA. This now the in SAP S/4HANA the vendor and customer can be called as a BP, and one BP can be extended to the multiple roles. There would not be required many the members creation, so that it will make it very easy in S/4HANA system, and related to the payables or receivables, so all it will be BP. So earlier we have the accounts payable and accounts receivable creation of the T code is a XK01 and XD01. We have the transaction code. Now one transaction code with the BP, the business partner. So that will be navigate to the creation of the vendor or customer, and according to the selected group with respect of the role. Now the business partner can be defined as it can be the person, or he can be a organization, or it could be a group of people. Now we will see in our system how we can create the business partner, the configuration. Before we will see the configuration, then we will see the once the configuration is completed, then we can see the creation of the BP member, the customer and vendor. Now if you refer the preparation sheet, now we can see the business partner. So before we are going to do the configuration, first we will do the reconciliation for the account receivables and accounts payables. Now I'm going to create for the reconciliation GL account for the BP. FS00. Now I would like to create the customer reconciliation. The number is, this is the number. And here the group is, this is the account type is the balance sheet, because that is the reconciliation, and this is the current assets. Now I can update as a foreign customer. This is then click on control data, click on the reconciliation account type is the customer, and select the sort key as a basically the important of the sort key is to identify the further. So if I have the invoice, so just I want to identify the based on this sort key will be generated as a unique number with the field called account assignment, so that it will be make the further criteria filtering while we are identifying the transaction. Now I'm choosing, so we have the different kind of the sort keys. Based on this, while we are using this GL account, automatically it will be picked with respect of this one, as of now I'm keeping as a sort key. I'm trying to find out the customer number. So this is the customer number. If I select the sort key means, so when I post by using for this the GL account, that line item will be account assignment will be get updated with this the customer number, and click on create or bank or interest, and field status group select, which is the because this is the reconciliation GL account. You need to select with respect of the reconciliation field status and click on save button. Now it is created. Now I am going to create another sorry, this is a AR receivables, foreign customer, and click save button. Now we are going to create for this vendor reconciliation GL account. Click create button. Now you can give. Now I can choose the account GL account type is a balance sheet because this is a reconciliation. What is the purpose of this reconciliation GL account? This is a reconciliation GL account. So when we have posted to the multiple vendors invoice for all the with respect of the relevant all the vendors reconciliation, we will update this GL account. But this GL account will not allow you to post directly. But when we use the with respect of either the vendor or the customer, then all the related all the vendors customer which is used the GL account will get updated. So it will be reduce the multiple number of line items. That is the intention. Now we will choose this is a current liability, AP, payables, foreign vendors. AP, payable, foreign, click on control data, select the reconciliation account type. This is for the vendor, and select here the sort key. Now I will choose sort key as vendor number. Always in the assignment it will get updated the vendor number. Then click on field status group, reconciliation, that is reconciliation GL account. click on save button. Now we created the receivables and payables GL account. Now we will go for the configuration. Now we will see here the first we need to create the customer group. Then we will go creation of the member ranges. Then we need to assign this member range to the customer group. Now we will see in the configuration level. Financial accounting, accounts receivables and payables, customer accounts, master data, preparation. Then click on the define account group with a screen layout for customers. Create here entry, new entry. We have as a account group as a SA11. SA11. Foreign as a 11. Click on company code data and account management, and make it as a reconciliation account is required, and sort key. So the fields which we want to make it while we are posting the entry level, so this it will be help us as a mandatory. If we don't want to particular field as a required, then we can keep it as a either the optional or just surplus. If we keep the surplus, it won't get appear while we are entering during the data entry. If we make either the required or optional, this it will get it will be show. If this is a required, then that particular field is a mandatory. If this is an optionality, then it will be as an optional field. Either you can enter or either you don't enter. And I am keeping as a short key as a mandatory also. And click on save button. Press enter. Now it is taking into the transport request. And create the number ranges. Create a number ranges for customer. Click on enter as. Enter SY and enter the number from 200. You can enter 300 and keep this as a X number range, because for the BP number and BP role, both BP number should be get synchronized. Otherwise, it will be show as a the customer number, that the BP number will be show as a separately. That is the reason. So I will be highlight for the vendors and customers. We need to choose this number range as a XML, and also we need to maintain the same type of this the number range for the BP roles also, so that it will be get synchronized. no click is just a minute, it is showing is overlapping, so just I'm verifying. Okay, we need to maintain as a number 2012 300. That is the reason here, because the already number is updated. That is the reason. Two zero one 300 and click on X9 save button. Assign the number range for customer account group. Assign a SY. Click on save button. Now we created the customer. Now we will be create the vendor. Click on account group with screen layout vendor. Click on new entry. SJ11 foreign vendor group. For SJ11 and click on the company code data and click on the account management, and keep it the reconciliation is mandatory, because the postings everything should get posted to the respect of the reconciliation via account, and click on the sort key is mandatory and click on the save button. Now it is taking into the changes in the transport request, and create the member ranges. Click on the create member ranges, click on intervals, then we will see the number which is available. USB, $400 to $499. Click on external button, click on save button. Now this number range is generated. Click on back button. Assign this number range to account group, vendor account group. SJ11 and give here the SD the number ranges, let me see, SB okay, we need to maintain the number range because in the BP number ranges also should get synchronous. We need to maintain this, which is available in the both places. SA 200, because this is the number range available in both the vendor group and the BP group also. 499, click on save button, save and assign this. SJ11 SA now it's saved. Now we are going to define the BP configuration. Till we have done the customer and vendor group and the member ranges and assign as member ranges. Click on cross application component. Click on SAP business partner and click on the business partner and click on the basic settings and click on the member ranges and groups and click on the member ranges. Click on the intervals. Now we are going to create. Now we see the message is the member range setting is locked by some user. Click on this message and copy this user. Go to another screen. Click on SM12. Enter user ID. Click search. Now you will get select and delete it. Now you can use freely. Go back here, again click here. Now you can see in editable mode. Click on the here we are entering the same member ranges for the vendor and customer which we have maintained for just copy this number and paste here. Now it's copied. Don't click on the external number because already the vendor customer is selected as a external, and click on save button. It's overlapping, just a minute, let it correct. That is ESF not SV. We will create and click here, paste. So overlapping, this will make it changes for SE, that is Yes, see, this is, and we are maintaining for 1 we need to maintain. Here let me check it. So just we will verify. SC number is started with 300. That is the reason we are getting the message. So now we will be maintained as a 299 for SY. Just come out from the screen. Copy this. The same number is also need to be maintained for the customers group. So now we will see. Yes, because here we entered as a 300. So earlier we have already used the 300 already starting. That is the reason. Okay, we should leave. Now we have created. Now we will go for next configuration. Define the grouping and assign the number ranges. Define grouping and assign the number ranges. Click on new entries. Select here. Copy this one. This is the group, unique group which we are creating for the D customer and V for the vendor, and description and the description, long description, and the number is which we created just now. Now you can see here, enter, save button, yes, go for next step configuration. Define a number range for direction to BP to customer. Now we will see. We need to go for the another node. We will see master data synchronization. Click on customer vendor integration. Business partner setting. Now we will see for the settings for BP2 customer not, this is not a right path. Click on, and this is the right path. Click on the BP2 customer and click on here new, and just we will take this data. This is for the customer, so that's the reason we need to take only the customer. Click on here and select the same. So if you select this one, is the BP number and the customer number will be different. If you select the same number, it will be BP number and your customer number, both will be the same. Okay, click save. Yes, now click back. Now click on the number range assignment for the BP2 customer, so vice versa, BP2 customer and customer to BP. Click here, click on create new entry. Now we will take, this is our data for the customer. This is the group which we have defined as the customer group, and this is which we have defined for the BP group. Click on save button, continue, back. The same way, now we have done for the integration for the customer. The same way we need to do for the vendor also. Click on assignment BP2 vendor and click on new. Just we need to take the data this vendor, enter here. This is the group of the BP group, and this is the vendor group. Now click on the same, click on save button. Yes, continue. Now click on the number range assignment for the direction vendor to BP. This is a both synchronization. Click on new entry. Enter here. This is the group of this is the account vendor group, and this is the BP group, so it's synchronizing. Yes, now it's done. Come out. Now we need to create the BP roles. Refer our material. Now we need to create our BP roles. SAP business partner, and here we can see the roles and define the roles. Click here and select the standard the role available for the customer. Copy from here our material. This is the standard which we have. and with this reference we will copy to our custom role. FLB CU00, this is the standard. Just select this one and copy to ours and change here for our flexibility, for our identification. Now for our description also just we will keep it change. For the customer group, press enter. Okay, then select this one and click on the categories and copy the same standard role, modify to our custom role. So here it is allowing, it will be check this is it the customer is role category, so is it the organization or the person or group, and press enter, and here we will make it our description also. So this the description will be helpful to us while we are the drop down list. Yes, now it's a copy. Now we created the customer BP role. Now we need to create the vendor BP role. This is the standard one. Just copy this one and we will be change according to our BP role, our custom BP role. Click here, copy, modify as per our custom. Just make the description according to our convenient. Just a minute, we are doing a small mistake. I want to use this. Please come out. and go to directly to studio. We need to choose this one. Okay. This is for the BP role, and copy, and 11 foreign, and 11. Select here the standard, then let's see, and we need to change here also. Let us go to change. Yes, and insert one. So now it's a copy. And click on the role category. Select this role category and copy. Here just reupdate this one and change to here the description and text and press enter. This let's copy. Now we will try to create our BP number, session BP. Now I want to create as a organization, as a customer. I need to choose the BP role, which is our BP role. So our BP role is S1. Click here, drop down list, ES1, for this is a customer. Yes, click create, click on the account group, as a 0. Yes, this is it, as a this one, and select the title is a anything according to that. Enter the customer number, Walmart. Just I have entered the customer name, and I'm entering the search terms also. Here enter receive something, postal code, and the city, then enter the country, which is the vendor country, Now we have created the general data. Now we will create company code data and give our company code. Enter. Now reconciliation account which we created the starting of, and here the sort key, and click save button. Edit standard address with error. Language I forgot to give save. Language key, now the BP number is created, just it was passing the message, that's it only. After click this one, it's created this is the BP number is a 201, and now we will create as a this is the customer. Now you can see this is the same number for the BP partner number and the customer number, both are the same. Now we will try to create vendor BP. Click on organization, anything we can create. Click either the person or either organization or either the group, which is according to our configuration. If we don't select this option, which is the selected option, that only will be allowed. Now we need to choose the BP number. This is ours. Just click yes. Here also select, this is the customer group. We need to choose the vendor group. Now both are synchronized. Now we can go ahead and we can create. I can update as a vendor. Enter the search term, means with a short name how we can easily identify, and give here Velandur, give here the postal code and city, country, then give the language English, then click on the company code, view the company code, press enter, give the reconciliation GL account which we created, and give the sort key also, because we made it as a mandatory. That is the reason it is a pop-up here. The vendor number I am giving. Click on save button. Now BP number is created. Now you can see the BP number, our business partner number 400 is created, and supply number, now both are the same. So if we select as a flexible, then this number and this number will be go as a different definitely. Now if we have selected as the same number, that is the reason this business partner number and the supplier number is the same. No. Thanks for watching my video. So please subscribe if you are fine with this video, and it will be helpful to you.